Ribidi bidi bamba dung. Ribidi bidi bamba dung bamba dung bamba dung bamba dung banga dung banga. Jesus, I love it. Bubbling.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much as always for tuning in. I hope you're all well. I'm doing good. Alright guys, so today we're making some creamy coconut spinach with carrots, and I'll be doing some grilled. I think I'm going to use a jerk flavor fish fillet, basa fish. No, I thought I had enough basa. It's not a lot. It's not a lot to share for all of us, so I'm going to add a little breast to it. Alright, so yeah, so this right here that I'm getting is the red stem spinach, right? I do have the green stem ones as well, so I'm going to get much of those as well. So I'm looking for the bigger ones, the more mature ones to have. They're still tender, so not because I said mature means that, you know, or bigger ones. It doesn't mean that they are old, as we say here in Jamaica. So yeah, they're just right. Alright, so look how good they are looking. So yeah, I'm going to get much of these, and then we are going to go over to get some green ones. So you can drop it in the comment section and tell me how you like your spinach. Alright, so let's go over to the green ones. I think I'm going to go with this amount for the red stem ones. Yeah. Alright, so these are the green stem ones. These are a lot more. Well, you know, we've been using them. And speaking about that, I really need to straighten this straight. It almost falling over, I'm telling you, but hey, I will get to that. I'm not going to say soon, not at all, but in time, and I think I'm going to make it a little taller. Yeah. Alright, so creamy spinach time. So guys, we'll be doing the spinach with some green bananas. So I'm just getting the wood fire ready for the green bananas. Alright guys, so I'm getting carrots from here today. Maybe just 2. I am just looking to see which ones, getting bigger ones. So I'm going to use it nevertheless. I'm going to give the rabbits these. Let's see. I saw this little one here. Still going to use it. Seems like that one could wait. I don't need much. Alright. They're small, but these are fine. So I'm going to use these carrots. And I'm getting my West Indian red pepper from here. Oh, where is that? Right here. Alright. And then I'm going to get this tomato right here. This one large onion from this batch that I'm going to use as well. Look here, guys. Purple bell pepper rolling in. I'm also getting just tiny pieces of this time. Not a lot. Just enough to give me some nice flavors. I'm telling you, the one from the market has nothing on this. Alright, so it's right here, so if I need a little piece more, I'll get it. But I saw this little sweet pepper. I'm going to use it. I think I might add a little piece from what I have inside. Alright guys, so I literally have most things prepped and ready. So I put on the pot already to do my boiled green bananas. I am now going to put on the pots to heat up my grill pot right there. Let me make this like to here. I'm all set, guys. Yeah, I'm just going to put them to heat up and yeah, get things going. I did all my prepping off camera, but we're going to talk through them nevertheless. And I just had to get things going. So this is the grill pot. And this is what we're going to do our spinach in. Alright, so let me just add some oil. This is coconut oil to the grill. And I'm going to add some now to this pot for our creamy sauce. This is genuine coconut oil, and I am being intentional with this oil. Alright, so let me see if this pot is boiling. Alright, so it almost come to a boil. So I'm just going to quickly peel these green bananas right here. So in the water I have some oil and vinegar, just not to, I don't want to stain up my hands, as these will stain you, for those who don't know. And let your hands look, your fingers look. Oh, yeah. So I am just showing some people who don't know about this how to do it. Alright? Because I know some people actually don't eat green bananas or don't have access to green bananas. this is what will be going in the pot. So I'm going to put it back in this water. You see me? I'm not sure if you see me. You see me? Look at the dish. See me? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to finish this up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so yes, I am through with peeling the bananas. Let me see if the fire is ready. Well, it could boil up some more, but I'm still going to put them in. Alright, so yes, these to boil. I am going to go ahead and add fish to the grill, and then we're going to get to the real deal, our creamy coconut spinach with carrots. So let's get these on the grill now. Alright, so I am opting for a jerk flavor, so I decided that yeah, I'm going to go ahead with the jerk flavor. So apart from my sazan seeds and my Maggi all-purpose, my pepper seeds, and I did add coconut oil to it to marinate a little pickle. I did add this jerk season. This is from Spur Tree. This is not a sponsored video, but Spur Tree, if you're anybody works there or whatever and you're watching, tell Mr. Spur Tree, yeah, we can work something. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to add these babies to the grill right now. I'm trying to do the fish and the chicken at once. Not a lot of chicken. I just add a little because I realized I didn't have enough basa fish. So I'm just going to add the chicken now. And it's basically the same thing with the seasoning. So it seems like all of it going whole, you know. So let me try nevertheless. Let me try. Seems like it can work out. Yep. Works. Guys, I did end up switching these two pots. So this stove right here is slow now. I'm literally running out of coal. I have just a lot of tiny pieces. So I say, alright, let's continue to cook the banana right here, and then the grill. I need the grill to go a little faster, so I'll put the grill on here. Alright. Now let's get to what we really need to get to, because I know that's what you really want. Right? So I'm going to go ahead with my condiments. So first I'm going to go in with some grated garlic. Going in with some onions, some sweet peppers. It smells so good already. whatever you want then. So basically up to you. Going in with some tomatoes and my thyme. So now I'm going to combine it nicely together. So I'm going to let these saute a little for maybe another 2 minutes or so. Let me just turn these fish. These don't take long to cook. So I'm going to end up removing the fish before the chicken breast. Oh. Itching in the pot. I need to spray my pan with some oil. Oh, was itching. I'm not spraying it on the fish. I'm just trying to get into the creases where it can get to the pan. Alright guys, so after a few minutes of sauteing these veggies, I am going in with my blended coconut milk. So this is actually fresh coconut, right? You can use your coconut milk from the store, you can use your coconut cream, whichever suits you. I just love the original taste. So when you're blending your coconuts, guys, for this especially, don't use too much water. If you want to have it, you know, a lot creamy, then you have to use less water than coconut, and be patient and take your time and go through and just do the right thing. Yeah, so trying to get out as much as I can from here. Alright, so I'm going to season this now, and then I am going to let it come together for a little. Guys, if only you could smell this aroma. Feels good already. Anyways, I am adding some Maggi all-purpose. I am adding a little pepper seed, and I am adding this blend with herbs and spices. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so I'm going to let this stew cook down a bit, and then I'm going to add our spinaches. Alright, so I'm going to cover it up. Now these bananas are almost cooked. So what I'm going to do is to take out the fish from the grill pot. And then focus on the chicken. things going on right here. Scrape them away. I'm going to eat these. I tell you no lies. Alright, so I'm just going to add some more oil to the grill and center the chicken a bit. The smoke. These last set of woods are so smoky. So smoky. Smells so good. In probably 3 minutes or so, I'm going to add the spinach and then I'm going to let them cook for about 5 minutes. And then, yeah, we'll be ready. It's so good. These bananas are definitely ready. Definitely ready. See? Soft and nice. I have little fire left under there, so I can let them stay. Because you see it's not boiling anymore, but they're cooked. And this is our little stew doing its thing right there. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach to this stew right now. Nicely simmered. It smells so good. So I'm going to let it simmer down a bit and then I can combine it properly after. So yeah. So I'm taking out these chicken breasts. Right now. So let me just set this aside. Oh, this pot start to boil up back, you know. Let me just pull it off the fire and cover up back this protein. Alright guys, so now I can properly combine everything together nicely. This is smelling so good. Smelling so very good. Alright, so I'm going to let it simmer for another probably 2 minutes. Alright guys, so this baby is ready. So yeah, I'm going to share me a plate right now. Alright guys, so yeah, time to eat some well worked for food. Yay. Alright, so let me get these bananas. Bananas. Only going to get 2. A banana just breaks, so sure. Sure, man. You know, I'm gonna play it look good. Eh? Anyways. Alright, you come to the back. Right here. So now I'm gonna let me hungry, guys. I'm not that hungry now. Alright, so up you shot the fish. Break up, break up, break up, break up. I know why. Because the fire, this fire, slow down. If it didn't slow down, they would be perfect. Perfect, but that's fine. Still going in my tummy. One way or the other. Yeah, let me get a piece more. Yeah, so now it's time for more spinach. Man, this smells so good. So good. And I know it's good. I know it's good. No, you can do this how you like it. You don't have to let your spinach, you know, cook down too much like I did. Just do you in your kitchen. Who wants some? Mm. Man, this feels so good to know that you actually got your ingredients from the garden. Fresh, natural, organic. Mm. Mm. So good. Coconut sauce is everything. Yeah. So comment below and tell me if you would try this recipe and or if you have ever had it and how it is for you. Um, this is where I'm going to leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.